Hello, let's look at this question here. Well, let's read it because there's nothing obvious. There are 18 packets of sweets and 12 boxes of sweets in a carton. The mean number of sweets in all 30 packets and boxes is 14. The mean number of sweets in the 18 packets is 10. Work out the mean number of sweets in the boxes. Well, there's nothing obvious about that question, is there? I looked at this and went, what on earth do I apply? So my first technique here was just to write down the important facts, the important figures. So I actually did it as a table. So I started off by saying we've got packets, we've got boxes, we have a total, and about the frequency, and we've got the mean. So let's fill in some of this table. How many packets have we got? We've got 18 packets of sweets, we've got 12 boxes, which is 30 in total. And the means. So we know in the total when it's 30 is 14, and the mean in the 18 packets is 10. So what can we do from here? That's what we're looking to fill in. Well, to me it looked as though if I did the frequency times the mean, I would have 180 here. So 300 plus 120, so that's 420 here. And from this I can work out, because I know if I go to the fx bar column, then 180 plus something is 420, so let's do that. 420 subtract 180 for 240, so 240. And now what can I do? Well, if I'm looking at this here, 180 divided by 10 is 18, or 180 divided by 18 is 10, so I could do 240 and divide that by 12. So I've taken the 240 here and the 12 from here, and I have a look at this and it's 20. So I'm going to fill in the answer here as 20. So how would I check my answer? Well, what we've created here is we've created a frequency table and we're trying to find the average mean. And the normal equation that we would use for this would be mean equals the sum of frequencies times the means divided by the sum of frequencies. So let's fill this in. We've got the first frequency for the packets is 18 and that mean is 10. And then we need to add the frequency of the boxes times our calculated mean of 20, and we're going to divide it by the total frequency, which was 30. Let's do some simplification. We can definitely bring our factor of 10 out on the top, and then we'd have 18 plus 2 times 12, which is 24, and that's going to be over 30. We can do more cancelling here, we can be over 3. 18 plus 24 is 42, over 3, and this is 14. And this actually matches. So we've got 14 here, and we've got the 14 that we were given. I'm using familiar equations that I've seen before to do my check, and I'm now happy with that answer.